Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set automatically deleting screenshot after sharing that screenshot to your friends or your relatives or your officials, whatever may be. After sharing that screenshot will not be saved to your phone. Okay, you will see that settings in this demo. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here, then go to advanced features, then go to screenshots, and here select second one, delete after sharing from toolbar. Just turn on this button. After sharing any screenshots that you took hereafter, that will not be stored in your local gallery. I share it to my friends through Gmail. You can share through any medium, Gmail or WhatsApp or Telegram, whatever may be. After sharing, it will not be located in your screenshot folder, internal storage DCAM screenshot. This is the location. It will be automatically deleted. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.